Hi everyone. So I have an exciting announcement. This is based on the feedback from our prospective customers and people that are interested in doing our coach training course, that we're now going to be doing a summer school coach training course. So because a lot of the people that we work with in our coach training course are working in schools as teachers or school counsellors or pastoral leaders or deputy head teachers and things like that, they can't always get time off the teaching timetable or out of the school day to attend our live elements that are integral to our coach training course and why we have the accreditation. So in order for us to deliver a accredited coach training course, we have to do a set amount of live hours that enable people to practice coaching. And we found the best way to do this is to develop a blended learning course. So our original course operates over around 3-month period where you work through a mixture of online modules and live sessions and online learning in a blended learning approach, and you do one session a week for a chunk of 7 weeks, and then you have a break, and then you do 2 more weeks of online sessions. And this is a lot of time to take out of the classroom or out of your job working directly with young people, because the live sessions are 4 hours long. So what we decided to do and are launching, and I'm so excited about, is a summer school. So what I'm going to be doing is during August is a condensed version of the course. So instead of it being spread out once a week, the live sessions once a week, what they're going to be is 4 live sessions in week 1, then we're going to have a week off, and then we're going to do 2 live sessions in week 2. So within a 3-week period in August, you'll have all the online learning that you need to do to then actually start coaching young people and hitting the ground running. We also will give you our toolkit of resources and strategies that we've been developing and using with young people, coaching young people for 13 years now. So that's really exciting. So already getting a lot of interest and feedback from people who are teachers or working in schools who want to either add another string to their bow. They're seeing that the many of the students that they're working with are struggling with poor resilience, poor mental health, poor well-being. They know there's a lack of support and available for them, and that they're disengaging from learning and they're struggling with attendance. And really, coaching is the intervention that can really help with that. So people that are doing our courses now tend to have either a sort of more counselling, well-being background. Either they're a practitioner, an individual who wants to add coaching as a string to their bow, or they're a nurse, or they're a youth worker, or they're doing an early intervention program, or NEET prevention, or they're teaching, or they're in some sort of pastoral role working with young people, and they want to integrate a much more proactive, solution-focused, positive approach to helping young people increase capacities for well-being and resilience, and actually prevent the onset a lot of the problems that they're seeing that their students or the young people that they're working with are having. So that's where our coach training course comes in. So if you enroll on the summer school, it starts on this particular first cohort in 2024. If you're watching this video in the future, we'll start on the 28th of July, and then we have a week where you can do your 2.5 hours of online learning to kind of prepare for the live sessions. And then we're doing live sessions Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, every day 9:30 to 1:30 in that week commencing the 5th of August. I'll just check, week commencing 5th of August. And then Friday you've got time to do online learning and catching up. And then we have a week off, and then we're going to be doing online learning on the Tuesday and Wednesday of week commencing the 19th, so the 20th and the 21st of August this year, 2024. It might be different in future if you come across this video. So then you'll be able to attend those live sessions with me, work through the online training with me, and then we'll release the modules afterwards in the afternoon, because there's online learning to do in between the live sessions, about an hour and a half to 2 hours, depending on how long it takes you to do it. That'll be released in the afternoon, so you've still got the afternoon to do that one and keep on top of it. So it's much more condensed, it's much more intensive, but you can totally immerse yourself in the online learning for those 2 weeks, and then you've got a whole year to then access the resources, complete the 20 hours of coaching practice that you need to complete in order to get the accreditation for the course. You also need to do 5 reflective logs from those 20 hours of coaching. And we've also got a bonus group coaching workshop, some bonus workshop, business development workshops if you want to go down that road of setting your own coaching business up or adding coaching as a string to your bow of your other private practice. And also support calls with your cohort to help you complete the coaching logs and troubleshoot any stuff that might come up. So we record all the sessions. So if you can't make one of the dates, we do record it. However, you do get more out of the course if you attend live, because it is practical and there's lots of stuff you discuss. We really find that people appreciate the range of backgrounds and experience of working with young people that the delegates have. So you're working together a lot and sharing your own professional experience, professional practice, and like really reflecting on how coaching can integrate with that to support the young people that you're working with. So I'm really excited. I've already got several people interested. I keep the course cohorts quite small. I'm hoping like around 12 people is a really good number. So it's a really great opportunity to work with me and learn coaching from me. And if there's anything you're interested in or you want to know, there's loads of links on the links below. Also, if you're not sure about coaching and you think, is it for me? Is it the right approach, right type of intervention I want to learn how to deliver? Then I have a free course called Introduction to Coaching on People, which explains a lot about what coaching is and how it can help, and helping you decide if it is the right way to go for you. So that's all for today. I'm so excited about the Coach Training Summer School, and I hope you can join me on that course soon.